Okay, so in this video what I'm going to be doing is installing the forward assist on an upper for an AR. This is the forward assist itself. It came assembled. This is the roll pin that comes in through the bottom. So what I've done is taken my pin punch and put it up through the hole, and I'm going to take my roll pin starter, put my roll pin in it. I'm going to scoot the punch down a little bit, and basically what I'm going to do is just punch the roll pin. Can't really see it very good. Now that it's in there, now I'm going to use my punch. I'm going to use a shorter punch, which is a starter punch. It's got a little nipple on the end of it, so the and it's installed. So once again, I used my roll pin holder, which holds it in place so it doesn't go crooked on me, and I use my starter pin punch so I don't flatten out the top of the roll pins. These are great. I get these at Brownells, and that's it. The forward assist is now assembled.